Konnichiwa, minasan! Welcome back to the channel where we learn practical, real-life Japanese that you can use while traveling in Japan. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most common things you'll do in Japan: buying train tickets. Whether you're heading to Kyoto, exploring Tokyo, or hopping on a bullet train, these 6 essential Japanese phrases will help you buy tickets with confidence, even if there's no English speaker at the counter. Let's go catch that train. Phrase 1. Kitsuku wo kaitai desu, meaning I'd like to buy a ticket. This is a polite, simple way to start the conversation at the ticket counter. Bonus tip: add the destination or number of tickets after this phrase. Phrase 2. 00 made no kitsuku wo kudasai, meaning a ticket to 00 please. Example: 大阪までの切符をください。大阪までの切符をください。A ticket to Osaka, please. Super handy for small stations where there's no English signage. Phrase 3. 普通、急行、新幹線、どれがいいですか? Meaning, which is better, local, express, or bullet train? This phrase helps you ask about train types. If you're unsure, just ask the staff for advice on which one to take. Phrase 4. 自由席ですか? 指定席ですか? Meaning, is it an unreserved seat or reserved seat? Great for Shinkansen, bullet trains, which have both types of seating. 自由席 L unreserved seat, 指定席 X a reserved seat. Phrase 5. 人分の切符をお願いします. Meaning, tickets for number people, please. Example: 2人分の切符をお願いします。2人分の切符をお願いします。Tickets for 2 people, please. Phrase 6. 帰りの切符も欲しいです。Meaning, I'd also like a return ticket. This is great when you're doing a day trip and want to buy round-trip tickets at once. And that's it. 6 must-know Japanese phrases for buying train tickets, whether you're taking a local train or hopping on a Shinkansen. Japanese transportation is amazing, but knowing a few phrases can really make your trip smoother, especially in small towns or during busy seasons. Which one do you think you'll use the most? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more travel Japanese, and share it with a friend who's planning a Japan adventure. Ziane. Mata ne. See you next time.